Where's your light at? All right, we're counting the splines here. We counted 32, just like it was supposed to be.
Let me count again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Second dot. 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30. Third dot. 31, 32.
32, okay. Next up, which I don't think we're going to be able to do, but the inside diameter of the seal.
Oh, what seal?
Of the seal on the tail end of the transmission. But with the way that seal is, I don't think we're going to be able to do that, huh?
No, we have this little cup.
Yeah. Well, it's a factory. It's never been replaced. It's a factory 6080 transmission seal. So whatever that is, he said it would be 1.886. Okay, so from the seal of the tail to the first bolt, the center of the first bolt on the frame. So probably not
this piece.
No, probably right up
right here.
Yeah, right where the transmission ends and the seal starts. From there to right here to the center of the first bolt.
To here.
Yes, the center of the first bolt forward. So I'll hold this.
Right in the middle.
Right in the center of the hole, yes.
But don't slide it.
Yeah.
You want to put it inside or what?
Can you? You be able to see then? I got it on the transmission.
25.
25?
Yeah.
25. You got it. Pull it tight.
You got it tight.
I got it on the transmission.
Well, then there's 24 and a half.
24 and a half from the seal on the transmission to the center of the first bolt. Sure?
Yeah.
24 and a half. Okay. Then next up, that same measurement to the rear yoke.
From that same bolt, from that same hole?
From that same hole to one of the bolts on the rear end.
What are the bolts or the?
Oh.
You got it?
You got a little box on the leader.
Okay. Where's it from?
Shipping department.
Okay.
That's all I can read on here. Impala parts.
Oh shit.
Sounds important.
Fuck, man. I think we need to jack it up, man.
I mean, I can hold it here.
Yeah, but I can't reach it. Yeah, jack it up.
Pull it.
Yeah.
We're going to what bolt?
Probably knows where the U-joint bolts on the rear end.
To one of the bolts?
Yeah. There's 4 on the rear end.
It's you got it tight, Bobby?
So to the edge of that thing though, right?
To where the bolt goes on the rear end yoke.
Yeah, to where it goes in.
Yeah, the front face of it.
To the main middle bolt?
No.
No, where the
Right
where the
there.
U-joint goes.
Right here, yeah.
One of those.
Hold it tight.
Get more.
Right there?
Right there.
It is exactly 40.
40 from the front center bolt hole to where the bolt U-joint bolts to the rear end.
To where it mates up the flat surface. Yeah.
40.
Yeah, 40.
40 inches on that. So 24 and a half on the front, 40 on the rear. And we got one more thing. U-joint cap on the rear end saddle. So the width of where you might have to have Bobby do that with this or the tape measure. Where you know how the U joint sits in there?
Yeah.
It's either going to be a inch and an 1/8 or an inch and a 1/16. Damn. But I have the caliper if we need to get more accurate.
So from in here,
Inside the saddle, not bolt to bolt, but the actual saddle.
From edge to edge, from one side to the other side.
it's an inch and 16.
Inch and a 1/16,
Yeah. You want to take a picture?
if you can.
Can you hold? No, hold.
You can move the camera up.
Can you see in the camera?
Maybe if I have to zoom in on the computer. Try this with the caliper.
No, but it's right here, right? Like right here, not here.
No, where the machine part is.
Here,
Basically where the half circle starts and ends.
inch and 16.
Inch and a 1/16. You want to do it with the caliper?
No, for sure.
It's either an 1/8 or a 1/16.
It's a 16.
Did you know how to read tape measure?
Yeah,
That's one little line or two little lines?
it's one little line.
Oh shit! Oh god, that.
Look, give me your phone. I'll take a picture. Put it in the camera. So you can bleep me.
This is mine.
Here, throw the caliper in there, man. Stand right here, bud.
Look at it. And that's a little bit loose because I'm not holding it tight in the bottom. So
Here, use the caliper. Got it right here.
when you pull it tight, it's exactly at 1/16.
Okay.
But if you don't believe me,
It is, yeah, it's a, what do we say? An 8? That's
16.
1.6, 1.06. So 1/16.
You had it a little bit loose, so yeah, it's
1.06 on the caliper.
Yeah, so
Okay.
it's 1/16.
yeah, it's